is Carly Panda 139 in Minecraft, but in no, dang it! I keep saying Minecraft. I meant to say Roblox, but in Minecraft, my name is Daffy Cassie Rose. So I have two. Yes. So you can call me Daffy Cassie Rose or Carly Panda 139. So we're gonna play Roblox. Okay, got it this time. So I did another video. It was a very fail. I need to. You over there! Put your voice down! Okay. So we're going to play a tycoon. Yeah. So let's get to it. Yeah, I'm going to pause it, and then we're gonna find a tycoon and find the servers. It'll take a while. Oh, no, too many people. Yeah. Nope. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you. I was looking through my YouTube videos, and I saw a change to the rhythm, the one that I did, and we got 76 views. Thank you so much for the people who saw this. Thank you. I appreciate it. It made me so happy when I saw that. So I'm going to tell. Okay, okay. I can't talk. Okay, I'm going to tell you that I'm going to do more Musical.lys. You're going to, in that Musical.ly aisle, the change to the rhythm or any Musical.ly I make, go to the comment section and then write what song you want me to do in Musical.ly. I'll put it on Musical.ly and on YouTube. So guys, comment down what song, your favorite song and stuff. Okay, because I'm not actually doing, I'm not picking the choices. It's my brother's, because it's his turn to pick what game he wants to play. He changed his mind to Block Hunt. So I'm going to pick a server. I just go down here, refresh, and then I just go down. Wait. We're in, so put the volume down a little bit. I'm going to get kind of lucky. So I'm going to put a hair and see if I have time. Because, wait, I don't have much time. I want to be, come on. I want to look like a girl. I don't want to be bald. I can't fit through the door. I like the new animation that I have. But I'm fat, so let's see it. Okay, I'll wear this one. Only one I have because I just started my Roblox thing. Ashton, come and see how do I walk? It is? Dang it. Seriously? Ah! No, I want to see you in the next game, seriously. We finally got a game. We're gonna play this. What the heck? Ah! Hey, come on. We can't do anything. What are you gonna do? Okay, we have to figure it out. I did it. Oh, How did you? It's just super hard. Okay, let's do a race, okay? Come on. Dang it! Wait, I think I know what. Are you on the next stage? No. Here, from here. Okay, got it. Stop! Stop! Yes. No, I didn't. That was a guess. No! I just want to make it through this. This obby is broken. Jump, jump, jump. Dang it, I died of what? You did? Follow the guest. Is this like part of the obby? Come on, go, go. You go. Yes. Come on. Okay, now you guess. Go. Go. We might have to make a part 2 of this. Like fully.
The guest died.
No! Oh yes.
How'd you make that?
Woo! Is there more?
My hands are literally sweating.
Yes! I'm on the next one. Don't you see how far I am? I can't lose. Okay, no. 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 How about in front?
Come on, guest. Make one or something.
No. Where is it?
Make something or something. Yes, I made it.
Make it to me.
Is this part of the
I don't. It looks like not. You fell.
You're right, it does not.
I'm gonna fall.
Oh! Who makes this first?
No! I'm gonna take this off. I think this one's broken. Yeah, wait, no. I hope you like it to 20 likes and subscribe. Thank you for watching my change to the reaction video. That makes me super happy, I told you. See ya in the next one. Bye!